Right, all right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you all doing? Welcome to Sliver Bullet Trading System webinar, your path to financial freedom. This is our launch month. December is the launch month. Just a couple of weeks ago, we launched Sliver Bullet Trading System and we received a very good response from the market. So thank you for participating today. Thanks for joining early in the Saturday morning. We'll get started. What we are going to cover is a trading system that can help you make money consistently without having to risk any of your personal funds. We'll talk about the trading software that we developed and how it takes trades at appropriate locations and closes the trade when a certain profit target is reached. We'll also talk about the funded programs that are available, which can aid you in getting, trading without risking your money. And we'll, of course, give you a demo of the trading software. So let's dive in. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, feel free to type in your Q&A box in the chat window. Before we get started, spend few seconds to read up the risk disclosure. There are performance risks, testimonial disclosures, everything that you need to know is listed here. So let's go forward from here now. So the quest for financial freedom. We all desire for decision making without any financial restrictions. We want to have the freedom to travel, own a home, pursue our passions, do what we want when we want. And the role of trading in achieving financial freedom is what we are going to discuss. So let's understand the possibilities. By learning to trade, the financial and time commitments that you have to put in. Of course, there are no guarantees in trading. There are complexities and skills that you need to acquire. And we'll talk about some common trading problems as well. So how to avoid those costly trading mistakes? First of all, we need to have a trading strategy that we cover in our program, Sliver Bullet Trading System program. And once we have the strategy, we have to automate this trading process. That's not enough. Now we have to decide whether we put in our money or somebody else's money. And fortunately, we have people who are ready to invest in you, in your abilities, if you prove to them that you are capable of returning them profits. So we have other people's money available to you. And then we need to understand the significance of trading hours. There are times when trading is good. There are times when trading is dead wrong. So we'll understand the significance of that trading hours. Then there are trading instruments. So in our experience, we do futures trading, and that's the best financial move because futures offers customizable contracts. It has a lot of liquidity. And here, if you buy futures, I particularly mean index futures, US index futures. It gives you a lot of leverage. sometimes 1 is to 10, 1 is to 1,000 to control a large position. Since we trade index futures, it offers diversification across markets and asset classes. So how do we get started? So your journey begins with opening a futures trading account, then install our Sliver Bullet trading system software on your trading account platform, and you embark on your trading journey supported by our training. So what's the sixth path to trading success using Sliver Bullet trading system? Number one, you purchase and install Sliver Bullet software on the recommended trading platform. Number two, you first practice with automated strategies on a simulated account. By doing this, you get familiar with our software. You know how the different configurations, different buttons, the user interface works. Once you are comfortable with simulated account, you sign up for a funded account. So that's step number three. You sign up for a funded trading account. Signing up takes anywhere from $20 to $50, depending on the account size that you sign up for. Once you have the trading account, which is usually an evaluation account first, you pass the evaluation, and our software helps you take automated trades and pass that evaluation faster and without risking your money. Once you pass the evaluation, the funded trading account provider, will give you a paid trading account where after you have achieved a threshold, you can whatever gains you make, you get to keep, minus some fee that you had to pay, some percentage of your profits that you had to pay to the account provider. Otherwise, what's the incentive for them to give you any money, right? And you shouldn't mind paying them 10% of your profits for all the risks that they are ready to take for you. So once you have a paid trading account, you start generating profit, you build a portfolio of funded accounts. So one trading account is not enough. We recommend starting small and having small funded trading accounts, a collection of it, a portfolio of it. That way, once you have acquired a real estate rental property, for example, you acquire the next one, then next one, and that way you build a portfolio of properties. The same way here, you build a portfolio of funded accounts. So this is the six-step path to trading success. And in our training program, we walk you through every step. We handhold you for about 8 weeks um, for you to achieve success with our trading system. Let's talk about the software, Sliver Bullet. So in Sliver Bullet software, you can trade in trending market, uptrending or downtrending. You can recognize trend reversals and take advantage of that. And in sideways markets as well, you can trade. There is automated scale in and scale out options available, meaning if you are in a trade and if you want to add more to your position for whatever reason, whether to come out of a bad position or amplify your profitable position, you can add more to your trades while you are in the trade. And that can be done in automated way as well. And then you can monitor the performance real time. It will tell you whether your trade is in profit or in loss. If you have used scaling, it will tell you the average price of your position, so you know uh, what your break even is. It will tell you about number of winning trades and losing trades, or it will tell you the trades that you have won and trades you have lost in a particular session. It will kind of indicate how far you are from the profit target for the day. So all the performance analytics are shown real time. We also provide assistance in uh, funded trading programs as part of our system. And we offer training and live demos, so you are comfortable with the tool as well as start to read the market and charts. So let's revolutionize your trading experience. So we'll give you a demo of our trading bullet trading system, a sliver bullet trading system. Um, Before that, I want to walk you through different futures contracts. As I mentioned earlier, we mainly trade futures, and there are different futures that we recommend. Um, First one is S&P. The symbol is ES. Next is NASDAQ, then Russell, then Dow Jones, and then crude oil, gold. All these are mini futures. And there are equivalent micro futures. So micro futures are 1/10 the size of the mini futures. So the equivalent micros futures are MES, MNQ, M2K, MYM, MCL, MGC. I think there are some spelling mistakes here, so we'll correct those. Now, there are only three market conditions: uptrending, sideways, or downtrending. We teach you how to recognize these types of markets. But since you are here, I will give you a basic idea of how these markets look like. You may already know, those who have been trading for a while, but just to give you a perspective, uh, there are uptrending market which are uh, which go up like this. An uptrending market could be like this, swinging. Sideways market could be like this in a range. Sideways market could be in a very tight range like this. Similarly, downtrending market could be going down like this, or it could be going down by making swings. So our trading software is capable of trading in any of these conditions, but we ask our traders to avoid this particular market condition. All are good. You can number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All are tradable markets. But we recommend that we avoid this market number 4 when it's flat and in a very narrow range. And the reason is the market can break out from a narrow range and it breaks out big time. But the problem is we don't know which direction it will break out. And often there are false breakouts. So what is a false breakout? False breakout could be that market will show that, okay, now I want to go out from to the upside, and you will jump on and take a long position here thinking that market will go up, and suddenly market will reverse and come down and take your stop. If you have placed a stop here, it will take the stop. Now you think that, okay, you made a loss, it's the market is going down, it was a false breakout, and you will start shorting here, start shorting here. And what will happen? Market will again reverse and start going up, and it will go up so fast that you won't be able to even catch it. By that time, it has taken stop here and stop here. Both the sides, it has taken the stop, and you're done for the day. If you have traded in huge quantities, you're you have blown out your entire account. So that's the reason we recommend that we don't trade um, market number 4. So in the next slide, I have summarized that how to recognize those market conditions. So number 4 is we want to avoid. And how does this software help you? So in the previous one, okay, now you have understood the market conditions, but are you in a position to take trades at the right time, like buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, or sell here, buy here? Can you time it? How accurate you can be if you use your mouse to click at the right time to take the trade? Would you be able to buy here, sell here with precision? No. So that's where the Sliver Bullet trading software comes in handy. It gives you a precision that which is difficult for a human to achieve. So that's why it's automatic system. So now imagine a bowling lane. So in a bowling lane for children, they put guide rails so that ball doesn't go out of the bounds. It stays in the lane. So even if a child who is learning to bowl that is not able to bowl in straight line with enough force, and the ball goes and hits either side of the rail, the ball gets a chance to come back into the lane and hit the pins. Similarly, training wheels in a bicycle. So what do training wheels do? The training wheels help the riders stay in his course without falling. So that's how this trading software helps you. It helps you stay in lane, and even if you make some mistakes, uh, it's not about you making mistakes, but it takes trades with accuracy. That's how it helps you. And slowly, as you trade more and more, you get a feel of the market, and then you can use your own skills along with the automated trading software, and you increase your profitability. So now and this software, Sliver Bullet, comes in 2 flavors. One is light version, the other one is pro version. So light version is for those who are starting their trading journey. It has a smaller set of features, but Pro has 4 times more features than what the light version has. For example, um, the light version offers only one ATM. ATM starts for automated trade management, which is the term we use for setting automated target profit and target goals and stop losses. So light version offers only one ATM, while Pro version offers three ATMs. Light version gives you the ability to trade with only one strategy, which is the default strategy. In Pro version, you get four additional strategies in addition to the default strategy. Light version includes scaling. You can scale in, scale out, but you have to do it manually. Whereas in Pro version, scale in, scale out is automated. Light version offers only defensive mode, um, which is good. It gives you, be conservative, not lose your money. But Sliver Bullet Pro offers aggressive mode as well in addition to defensive mode. So if you have, as you become experienced, you can be aggressive with your trading and have more winning trades. So what you get along with the software, you get training handbook, you get 2 months of group training and support. I install the software for you because we are in the launch phase and we haven't automated a lot of uh, um, processes yet. So during this period, which is this month, I'll be working with you one-on-one to help you set up the system. Not only that, because this is a launch month, we are offering discount of 10% on the light version and 30% on the pro version. So you save significant amount, almost $1,500 on pro version. In fact, we recommend you um, purchase pro version because the amount of features packed in the pro version. And this is a limited time offer. So 10% off on Sliver Bullet Lite and 30% off on Sliver Bullet Pro is only for this month. So you got to act fast. After that, the price will go up and the discounts will also go down. But there is more that we call Sliver Lining promo. So till tomorrow, that's December 10th, we are offering 70% discount on 50K evaluation accounts. So our partner funded trading account provider is offering 70%. In fact, it's a 71% discount on 50K evaluation accounts, which the account gives you a drawdown of $2,500, which means you can lose up to $2,500 without having to forfeit that account. But if you make $3,000 in profit, the account will convert into a funded account from which you can draw your profits. More often than not, people blow up their first account. And if it happens, we will give you a lifeline, that is, we'll pay for the next month of subscription for this funded account if you fail within the first month. If you don't fail, good for you. You shouldn't fail because you have one lifeline. Good thing will be if you don't have to use a lifeline. That saves you time. But if you fail, and we'll show you how not to fail and all that in our training, we'll give you another chance, meaning we'll pay for the subscription for the next month. So start your journey today. Visit our website, slivertrades.com, and choose your edition. Apply the launch discount code, which is launch 10 and launch 30. And if you purchase by tomorrow, you will get the sliver lining promo as well as part of your purchase. So this is an example of the certificate you get after you pass the evaluation account. So once you achieve the target required for an evaluation account, the funded trading account provider will send you a certificate, which means that you are ready to uh, go for paid trading account. So before I conclude, I want to give you a demo of Sliver Bullet Pro. So this is the Ninja Trader platform, which we recommend and where we install the software. And this is the screen. This shows the screen where you trade. And I will show you the software. Here you see Sliver Bullet Pro. We load this software, and here we have different parameters, which we'll explain to you during our training. And we enable this software on this chart. This chart is NASDAQ, December expiry, and it's a 30-second chart. So let me find the timer. Okay, timer is here. Um, I will trade with the data, yesterday morning data. So let me set the time for just before the market open. Uh, so so here the chart is loading. Few more seconds. Yeah, chart has loaded. So here you see the timer. Let me set it to just before the market. I will speed it up. This is the playback data, guys. Playback data as of yesterday. Uh, all right. So 8:30 is when the market opens. So I will start the trade here. It's usually a good idea to wait for about 5 minutes for market to settle down and then start trading. So here, good bullish up move. So likely the market will be bullish. The first few minutes of the market kind of indicates what kind of situation it will be during the day. So here I wait. So market is going up still. Starting 8:30, I'm seeing what the market reaction is. So I speed up a little. So in fact, my favorite chart is tick chart. So I use tick chart that gives us more opportunities to trade. Here, I have to wait for 30 seconds to take trades. Tick charts gives us more opportunities. So let me show you with tick charts. So I'm not certain the direction market is taking on tick chart. It's really flat here, and as I mentioned, I want to avoid flat markets. So this is flat for me. I wanted to, I can take trade here as well and show you how to make profit if you want. So, for example, I can take a super scalper trade here,
Order filled.
right? And see how it will become profitable.
Target filled.
So here, so I wanted to show you. So I took a super scalper trade, long trade, and in within a minute, I got a profit of $35.82. And that was just with one contract. So as you gain experience, you can trade with more contracts, and one trade will give you, uh, 35 times the number of contracts. So here I see the market is trying to trend down. This moving average is sloping down. So maybe I will try to take some short trades here and see how it
Order
goes.
filled. Target filled.
So there is one more profit. So let me play it in normal speed so you see what happens. How it, because Nasdaq is a very volatile
Order filled.
contract, and
Target filled.
it moves very fast. So three trades, three wins, $107. And what's the time? 8:38. Market opened at 8:30. We started trading around 8:37. This was the first trade at 8:37. And in 1 minute, 20 seconds, we made $100. Is this not amazing? Give me some reaction.
Order filled.
Is this not amazing? So now market is going away from me. So I will like to salvage my position.
Order filled.
So now I am going to try and get out of this position before the market goes too far against me. So let's see how it. I took a scale in, I added to my position.
Order submitted.
So one more. I added one more time to my position.
Target
Here
filled.
you go. So this one more profitable trade, and actually it's not fully profitable uh, because I lost one tick here, about one tick. Actually, it was break even, but the commissions ate away my. Because of the commissions, I got loss. I came out for break even. If I had stayed instead of closing the trade sooner, I would have been profitable because my market is going in my direction. But I won't complain. I won't complain. There is one hanging uh, trade still left here. Let's see if the market comes in that direction and gives me some profit on that trade as well. So the price touched that and moved away from it.
Order
All right.
filled.
So now let's see if this is all I want to do today. I have taken 5 trades total. This is the 6th trade. And if this one is
Target
profitable,
filled.
I can shut down, so in 10 minutes, 8:40, already I made $139. So I recommend making 3 to 4 trades per day. I'll show you in my training how trading ES contract you can get more profits. Of course, you have to sit longer for ES trades, but it's less risky. So now market is trying to go up. So I should not take short trades. I should rather take long trades. So I'll take maybe one more just to show you, so that uh, you have good idea of how this tool works, and then we'll stop this demo. In fact, market is going up. I'm tempted to take contrarian trades, but I will not, because when trend is good in one direction, we should not try and go in up against that direction. So I will still wait for long.
Order filled.
A long trade has been taken, and uh,
Target
we
filled.
got profit. So 10 minutes after market open, in fact 11 minutes 46 seconds, I bagged $175. I can keep on going, but there is something called trading fatigue. I you lose focus if you're sitting too long. 10 minutes is not too long. We can trade easily up to 30 minutes without feeling any fatigue. And it again varies from person to person. Uh, we can make decent profits. So this is what I wanted to show you today as to how we take trades. So, so that's the demo. And going back to the presentation, um, if you have any questions about uh, the tool, the software, the trading method, and anything in general, feel free to contact us. You can email us at trades@sliverusa.com, or call us at 331-888-2627, or go to www.slivertrades.com and um, place your order. So at this time, if you have any questions, I'll be happy to take and answer them. So let me look at the chat box, what type of questions are. Yes, so no, the discount is available this month, but this is the launch month, so it's going to be available. But the special, the silver lining promo that I had mentioned, that's available only till tomorrow. So I would say don't wait till tomorrow. Even if you have any questions, contact us, or if you are good with what we showed you so far, go ahead and make the purchase, so that way it will give us enough time to set things up so that you can get started from Monday. Yes, Sliver Bullet Pro has more features, and it costs only marginally higher than Sliver Bullet Lite. So um, it's your best interest to purchase Sliver Bullet Pro, but if you have very tight budget, you just do not cannot afford Sliver Bullet Pro, Lite is still a good option. At least when you're just starting, you don't know much about futures trading or trading in general. Um, Try with just one ATM strategy, and you'll be able to make decent money. Any other questions? Yes, so it's slivertrades.com. It's you can go there and apply the coupon. Or if you have any difficulty, just call us or email us. So that's all about this presentation. I will just leave this slide open for those who want to take note of our contact details. So thank you so much for joining. I'll give back your weekend. Enjoy your weekend and happy trading. Thank you.